Hey and welcome to a new video. Sorry if it's a little bit windy, but I'm going through it's like walking, in the forest when where it's like a little road in the forest. Here in Sörmland, it's called Sörmlandsleden, and where I'm going today. And as you can see, maybe you not see here, but there, I think. No, around there, I think our place is. So it's gonna be little vlog where I'm walking this little forest road around and then on the road back home. And I'm gonna take some photos and a little bit like that, and I hope you enjoy this, because if you do, you can leave a comment and I can do a little bit more of this kind of video. So the part I'm going, we are there right now, and we're gonna go part 30, so it's gonna be like that thing over there, so around there or something, over there, where we are going back, all the way back there, getting the mail, and then around there or something. First, up for this little part. Okay, we're up. As you can see, the thing that I was pointing at before is down there. It was quite an climb up here, but it's fine. As you can see over there, that's the sea, or the East Sea or Baltic Sea, or what's it called? Östersjön in Swedish. Yeah, but otherwise, Mother Nature, or yes, forest around me. There is where I came from, but otherwise it's pretty nice up here, actually. So this thing, this pile of stone, is apparently a grave from the Bronze Age with a diameter of 15 meters and a height of 1.5. So that's epic, actually. Not far from me and the family's place, actually. Didn't know about this. Here you have the paper and info, but I can put a photo right after this in this video so you can stop and watch. Yeah. So I have walked through the forest completely. Now, at least. Now I'm walking on the road, as you can see there. I came right from there, as you can see. And now I'm gonna go on the road for a while back to the main road, because this is like one of the smaller parts or smaller roads and so on. And yeah, over there, as you can see, I was before, and so far, yeah, it's raining a bit, so that's why I have this on, but oh well, we can't control the weather. But the walk has been fine so far. I set out for a little bit before, and let's just try to get home as fast as possible. Okay, so now it's the next day. I walked around 9,700 steps yesterday. It's about 7 kilometers, and the walk around was good and so on. I can't really complain too much. So it was fun going to go that around again sometime. Not sure when yet, but yeah, I hope you like this kind of video, even though it's a little bit different, and we are seeing each other in the next one.